Today we're going to be making a sunburst effect for your background. So to do this, I'm going to go ahead and create a new layer so that it is down at the bottom because it is a background. I'm going to select the gradient tool, which is located underneath the paint bucket. And I'm going to choose two of my colors. So I chose the two lighter and darker purples. Once I have that done, I can go ahead and make sure this layer is selected. Go to Filter, Distort, Wave. Okay, I went one step too quick. Look at there. First, I have to put a gradient on there. So with my gradient tool selected and my colors, go ahead and put a gradient on here. Okay, so there's a gradient. Then if you, with that one selected and the gradient on it, you can go ahead and go to Filter, Distort, Wave. And here are some settings. Everybody's setting is a little bit different based on what you want, but I put 120 generators, 17 and 18, 5 and 145, 100, 100, and make sure sign is selected. Go ahead and hit OK, and I now have a very busy background. But with this selected, if I do the same thing again and go to Filter, Distort, Polar Coordinates, and make sure that it is rectangular to polar, go ahead and click OK. I now have something else. So I can go ahead and, if I wanted to, change this so that it makes sense. And then I think for mine, I might try turning down the opacity a little bit. And here's one way to find out, because you can see all of the boxes come through here. If you go to File, Print, it will show you what it would look like if it was filled in towards the background. Then you would just hit Cancel. So go ahead and name this layer Sunburst. And remember, as with all of these tutorials, you need to do each one. If you don't like them, you can turn them off.